kumusta kayo?
Good.
So, today's video, we're going to Natural History
But we're going to
Museum.
the mall.
Okay mga bye,
We're going
see
to
you
visual.
sa video.
We're going
Sa
to
bye.
We're going
Hello guys. So, dito kami ngayon sa History Museum. Ayun o, nakita nyo. Ang laki-laki ng dinosaur. See you later guys. Pakita namin sa inyo mamaya kung ano nasa loob nito. Bye-bye. Ito yung pagpasok ko sa loob. Pero di ko na video yung pinaka entrance, yung i-check yung bag kasi bawal videohan. So dito na ako ng video. So ito na yung mga chika bibs. So, ito na yung mga chika bibs. So busy cellphone.
Hello.
Ay, say hi mo. Hi, hello mo. Say hi, hello mo to our vlog mo. You can see your face in the TV. You're a celebrity that time. Okay. So ito yung mga dinosaur mga bay. So, totoo to ha. Huwag yung sabihin fake to ha. Ito, galing to sa amin sa Kataban. Ayun ang Kataban to. Ano? Nakita niyo naman, nakilaki niyan. Compare mo sa tao, tingnan mo yung taong lit-lit na lang oh. So ito yung History of Museum. Natural History. So ito yung pagpasok nyo sa loob ng entrance. Ito mismo makikita nyo. Dito. So ito yung mga bay. Kung nakita nyo. Ayun oh. Ayan mo. Siya mo. Mil na. So ito yung Bryce Ross. Ayun mga bay. Dinosaur, ibang klaseng dinosaur. Kumakain ng turtle oh. Sa baba pa. So, pasok kami dyan. Ayun mga bayo. Laki ng isda. Ay, kingfish yan eh. Laki oh. Totoo ba yan? Laki oh. Anyway na, ano ba yun?
Yes, the winner.
Ayan oh. Story of Earth. Wow. So mga bay, ang ganda dito. Nakikita nyo naman. Ito yung araw. Sun. Ito yung mga bato. Ito na touch. Wow. Yung mga bato. Wow, anong klase ito? Ganda dito. Pasok. Ito yung The Mesozoic Era. Yun, mga bay, ang ganda dito. Ayun, no? Mi, kumo. Tingnan yung mga bay. Matay na siya dito. Ito, anong klase? Oh, comment down below anong klaseng dance na to. Baka nakita nyo ito. Ayan, no? Grabe, oh. Tingnan mo, oh. Wow, Momo. Tingnan niyo mga bay. Grabe. May isda pa, oh, sa taas. Ito T-Rex. This is T-Rex me, oh. Yeah. The big one. See there, oh. Ito mga ba, anong klaseng dinosaur na naman ito, oh. Wow. Is that allowed? Okay. No, thank you. Okay. Oh. Ha? Not yet, not yet. Where you go? Wow, that's sand. So nice here, huh? Yeah, we'll go there. That's it. Oh, it's a big elephant meat. OMG. Where's Lena? Come on, me. Wow. What is that, Lynn? Lynn, what's that? No, me. What is it, Lynn? It's a crocodile. It's a big crocodile. Gee. Hyena. Hyena. Oh. Maybe we'll bite you, huh? Here. Wow, what is this here? Wow. This is skeleton of a human being. Lilin, who's that skeleton? Nancy. You know. Wow, Lina. Din. So much tigers here. Wow. Eh, touch. Don't touch, yeah, don't touch. Lapu-lapu.
Dapat hindi guys.
What is that, Len? Wow.
Mama, look at me.
What? Me, what is this, me? What is this? What is this?
Zebra.
Zebra. And how about this one? What is this? This one?
Peacock.
Peacock. And how about this one? The big horn. Huh?
Dinosaurus.
Rhinoceros. Wow. Wow. I don't touch, ha? Mother says don't touch. Oh my gosh. Tutulong, oh. Ayun mga kapatid, daming ang klaseng isda, oh. Okay, sa dagat mga kapatid. Buwana. Wow. It's all real. They preserve it. Oh. That's cool. Wow. And how about this one? This is turtle. Anong klaseng ano to?
Happy.
Wow. Giant of the Gulf. Here. See,
This one is a zoo.
this is real, me. See, this is real.
Hey, this is a zoo.
Huh?
This one is a zoo.
Oh. No, it's not a zoo.
What
This is wild animals. See, oh, there's this lot also at the top. It's a big fish, me. See, you know this fish?
Capybara.
Huh?
Capybara.
Wow. So cute. kangaroo. See, oh. This is a kangaroo. Wow, this kind of animals. I don't know. Wow. What is that?
A duck.
Huh?
Duck.
It's a female platypus. Wow, they live in the ano. Wow. Ito, ang ganda nito, ang galing ito. Kumawag ko to Science Lab. Yeah. Wow. Science Lab. Wow. Oh, is this? OMG. Here, oh. Wow. May ano pa sila dito, oh. Tingnan mo yung mga insects.
Try again.
Try again.
Six.
Six asa.
So what is it? An insect or spider? Perfect. Well done. That's amazing. And then when we look under the microscope, it tells us a little bit more about why is this not a beetle and why is this a beetle. Okay. And I'll tell you, whilst this gentleman's looking, can you see that beetle over there? That beetle shows you that it has big long wings that cover the whole of the body, like this one. This one, the wings, the outer wings only cover a little bit, and you can see this.
Wow.
You see on the back, it's got a long tube here. That's how it feeds. A beetle chews its food. This one, it drinks its food. It's like a straw. It's so if you want, you can have a look at it.
You want me? This way, it's not your turn. Never see this one first.
Now I'm going to show you the beetle. With the really long, very safe shields that cover its whole body. Whereas in this bug, it doesn't have, it shows its soft wings. So that's why this is not a beetle. That's a butterfly. For butterflies, the reason that we can see color on butterfly wings is because they're covered in scales. And the scales actually reflect color. If you have a look at the black part of the wing, you'll see little tiny little lines. It makes it almost look like lots of little squares in a row.
Ah. Wow. Yeah, this is hamstick. What? Allah. They're living in this place. Down. Come on. Here. Let me. Oh, the worms also. Wow. Eagle. Ano sa eagle? Tickling mga guys. Tickling oh. May tickling dito oh. Ano yung tickling? This is the History Natural Museum. Dugong. May dugong dito mga bay oh. Oh. Wow. OMG. Sarap nito mga bay. So, it's all reals. Real. The blue whale. You know this blue whale is very big. All the bones of blue whale. See, there's a... don't touch that one, but it's very sharp. Let's go, let's go. my gosh. Wow. Mhm. Wow, this is nice here, guys. This is all real, no? Ah, this is like this. So cute, oh.
The monkey.
Ah, this is Mimi and Malak. They're sad. No cake. Ano Malak? Zero at the top. Dude. Ah. Tignan nyo guys, ang dami isda mga bay. That one, all real. Galing na, no?
This is worth it. It's better than that.
Yes, of course. Wow, I like this bag. I want to have this bag. Yeah. Ganda din dito. Ayun. Ang mga to, mga guys, comment down below. Triceratops. Yan. Tingnan nyo mga guys, ang laki-laki nito. Mga bay. Yan o. OMG. Yung klase mga dinosaurs to. Mga bay. Mga bay o. What is that, me? Wow. It's a dinosaur. See ya. So ito yung mga horn, oh. Hey guys. Nakita nyo? Ang laki ng horn, oh. Yung bones. Yeah. Yeah. What is it, Len? Ganyan technology nila, no? Wow, horn is very big. Is this brilliant? It's moving pala to. Gosh, din. Hello. Mga lorong pa sila. Hi, Mimi. Ito mga bay. Wow. Yan. Hi, Mili na, Len. Sumo. What are you doing, Len? Ayun mga bay. So, pahinga mga chikiting dito. May laruan din kasi dito eh. insects mga bay na ang galing na magka-photograph nito. Ayun, sa labas mga bay. Yan. So yun mga bay, dito muna kayo bay. Pahinga muna kami sa mga kiddos oh. Kasi nga, nagutom kami, kumain kami kanina. Ayan. Ayan. Ano mo? So ayan, may nagpuntahan pa rin ngayon. Tapos pa-close na eh. Dapat alas 8 kasi close na sila eh. Nakapauwi na kami. Sige mga bay. Kita-kits sa video. Bye-bye, paalam.